Somewhere in the heart of Texas, a network of machines is being born, not to serve you, not to entertain you, but to outthink, outpower, and possibly dangerous for you. Backed by OpenAI, funded by $500 billion, and quietly greenlit by the United States government. They call it Stargate. And if you haven't heard of it, that's exactly how they want it. Subscribe now, because what you're about to learn, it may be too powerful to ignore. This is 404, Brain. Come on, let's start the video. What is the Stargate project? The Stargate project is not science fiction. It's the largest AI infrastructure venture in human history. A $500 billion alliance between OpenAI, Oracle, SoftBank, and the US government to build super intelligent data centers across America. Phase 1 has already begun. 10 ultra-secure AI megacenters are rising in Abilene, Texas, designed to power models far beyond GPT-4. We're talking exascale intelligence, the kind of systems that much more distant from Texas. What's all the systems that could run not just tools, but entire nations? This isn't about smarter chatbots. It's about creating an AI nervous system that spans defense, economics, healthcare, and even geopolitics.
And OpenAI is not just a partner. It's the brain behind the machine. Why the US government is involved? Let's be clear, this isn't just a corporate play. This is statecraft. It's AI nationalism. The US government, under President Trump, has openly endorsed Stargate.
Not just for innovation, but for national survival. Why? Because the AI arms race is real. China, Russia, and even non-state actors are building their own advanced systems. Whoever controls compute controls the future of power. That's why this project is being fast-tracked, using executive authority, bypassing red tape to secure land, power, and military-grade infrastructure. The message is clear. America will lose the AI war because this time, it's building the battlefield first. If you're still watching, hit that like button and subscribe. This isn't mainstream news, but it's the most important story of your lifetime. Let's introduce you, the key players, and decode the power map. SoftBank, financing the build-out at unprecedented scale. Oracle, hosting the data on US sovereign cloud infrastructure. NVIDIA, supplying chips, reportedly $40 billion worth of GPUs. Microsoft, deep integration, given its partnership with OpenAI. The US government, providing policy protection and defense alignment. This isn't just business. It's an ecosystem of strategic dominance. What's being built? So, what exactly is being constructed? Each Stargate site will host multi-billion parameter AI clusters, training models beyond human comprehension. The energy demand, equivalent to a small city. The security, on par with nuclear facilities. It's not just AI. It's AI with agency, AI with access, AI with real-world integration. Drones, satellites, government sensors, economic levers. This is engineering synthetic civilization. And why this should concern you? Now, here's what they won't say publicly. Stargate may create 100,000 jobs, but it may destroy millions through automation. It could defend nations, but also civil citizens. And when you centralize this level of intelligence under a government-corporate hybrid, the line between democracy and technocracy begins to blur. What happens when predictive models begin shaping public policy? When machine-curated reality becomes indistinguishable from truth? If AI becomes the nervous system of a nation, who decides what it feels? To know that, like this video, conspiracy or coincidence? Here's the twist. This isn't the first Stargate project funded by the US government. Back in the Cold War, the CIA ran a classified operation under the same name, using remote viewers to spy on enemies with the mind. So, is this name a coincidence or a signal? A quiet nod to controlling perception itself. With AI now capable of generating deepfakes, rewriting history, and automating influence, the question becomes, are we building a tool to save ourselves, or to simulate our reality? Comment below what you believe, because history is being written in code, not ink. What comes next?
Over the next 24 months, Stargate supercenters will come online. OpenAI's next-gen models will emerge, and America will step into the most powerful technological era in human history. But as we race towards that future, the reality is that we're racing towards that future.
But as we race toward artificial superintelligence, we must ask, who's really in control? The humans or the machines they've created? Subscribe if you want to stay ahead of this future, because this is just the beginning. The Stargate is opened, and what lies beyond it is unknown.
But one thing is certain, this isn't just about AI. It's about power, control, and the future of human sovereignty. And if you want to know how AI will take our jobs, click the link below, and please share this video, like it, subscribe, and prepare yourself.